There's no such thing as a bad sound. To demonstrate, nitatumia simu. I'm going to use my phone to demonstrate something that even a child could do. Okay, so now let's have fun with this sound. I'm going to run through some processes that I'm going to do. Off the top of my head, I'm thinking, let me slow it down, reverse it, add a bit of reverb into it, and a bit more processing. And in just a few seconds, we're going to have a sound that's actually going to invoke emotion in a scene. So let me play it back ili uisikie.